Alrighty, let's take a look at app number 3, unit conversions, which is this one here. Okay, proceed to app. I'm already logged in. These are the instructions, and I'm about to show you, so you don't think we need to go over those. So here's pardon me, some math notes you can look at, and I'm going to bring up this equation here, this long equation that starts with 45 miles an hour equals 45 miles over 1 hour. So that's the first step. If you have miles per hour or dollars per donut or whatever, you put the first unit on top, you put the other unit on the bottom with a 1. So 45 miles per hour means 45 miles divided by 1 hour. Okay, fine. And we're trying to get to meters per second, it looks like. So we have to convert two things. We have to get the miles to turn into meters, and we have to also get the hours to turn into seconds. So you'll notice that the next thing over says 5280 feet per mile. The miles are canceling there. You have miles on top with the 45. You have miles on the bottom with the 1. The miles, the units of mile, will cancel. And you've got feet on top. Now, we're not there yet. We want meters. And so the next conversion over is 1 meter is 3.28 feet. So notice the feet are canceling here. No feet. So you're left with meters. Okay, that gets the meters. And then, oh, typo. You see that equals? The first equals? That's supposed to be another multiplier. I got to fix that. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to convert the hours into seconds. And so I'm using the conversion here. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, 60 times 60. And again, this first equals is supposed to be, I can multiply again. So the hours will cancel. One's on top, one's on bottom. You'll be left with seconds on the bottom. So you'll notice the only units that don't cancel are we have meters still standing on the top, and we'll have seconds still standing on the bottom. And so you're left with meters on top, seconds on the bottom, otherwise known as meters per second. By the way, if you want to enter this on your calculator, the real easy way is to just go 45 times 5280 divide 3.28 divide 3600 equals. When you have a string of multiplication like this, just if it's on top, say times, and if it's on the bottom, say divide, and just go all the way across. Trust me, it works. Try it. Make sure you get the 20.1. So anyway, that's kind of the basic idea, unit cancellation. And then we've got 3 drills to go with it. So what's this? Well, this first drill has like what? Tons, pounds, ounces, grams, metric tons, kilograms, that kind of stuff. So it's weights. So this is the weights drill. So the weights drill, you're going to practice converting weights by using unit cancellation. We're starting with 18 kilograms. We're trying to get to pounds. Now the 2 little bubbles here say that you may take up to 2 steps. You won't necessarily need 2 steps. In fact, in this one, I don't need 2 steps. You see that 1 kilogram equals 2.205 top center? Press that. So you tap it once. You can think of it as like it's on the clipboard now. And then tap on the first bubble and it shows it in there for you. Ain't that cool? Ain't that something? Now, if I want, I can try right now. And it'll say, hey, you got 8.1633 kilogram over pound. That's not right. We were supposed to cancel the kilograms. Okay, I'm just going to try again because I know it's this factor, and I can say, oh, look, it's getting put in the way I want. That's nice. By the way, if this is upside down, just tap it again. If you don't like the way it looks, tap it again, tap it again, tap it again. You can flip it upside down and all that. If you really don't want it there, a long press will make it disappear. Anyway, I do want it there. Tap, tap, and that's good. Try. 39.69 pounds. It's correct, and it shows that I made 2 attempts. I got 1 correct. I got a score of 50 right now. Next question, and that's really all you do. You just keep converting. Here's drill number 2. What's it got? This is volumes. We got more conversions up there. This is volumes, and it's also got time, like hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, so there's going to be some rates in here. So make sure you watch the lecture first, so you know how to convert rates and things. But 5 liters a gallon, you can fill in up to 3 boxes if you want. And you just you want to think ahead a little bit when you're doing this. I'm trying to get to gallons. So I'm grabbing that one. 1 liter was 1.057 quarts. I don't like that. So I tap again. There we go. That gets me into quarts, which is the US system. Now all I got to do is get from quarts to gallons somehow. And oh, look at this. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. There we go. Right there. And look, I don't even have to tap it again because the quarts are canceling. Everything's good. That should be right. Boink. It's right. So, like I say, there's going to be some rates and areas. Here, this is the quiz number 3. This one is lengths. So you see miles and kilometers and meters and inches and centimeters and millimeters and feet, and we even get some areas like acres, and we get some volumes, gallons. But notice that this area is in terms of length. It's square feet, and the gallons is in terms of length, cubic inches. So again, watch the lecture first so you know what this stuff is. And got to get the 0.25 miles into meters. MI is miles, M is meters. Well, miles to kilometers might help because that gets me into the metric system. Tap OK. And kilometers to meters, huh? We got that? We should have that somewhere, right? Here it is. Kilometer to meters. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Next question. Okay, and so on. So that's basically all this is. So I think the first drill is due, the drill number 1, which is, that was weights, wasn't it? Yeah. Drill number 1 is weights. That's going to be due first. And then drill number 2 and drill number 3 will be due at the same time, but after drill 1, like the day after, like a couple days after or something. Okay, cool.